Good evening, friends. I need your help. I don't know what is going on in my career. I want to know all the details. Stocks, size of finished products, changes during the month. The quarry with an area of 15 hectares, not far from you.
Hello, dear friend. We are already leaving. Everything is ready. Following the link, you will be able to see everything you need and even transfer it to your engineers. Road parameters, volumes of finished products, and much more. We have prepared a 3D tour of the quarry with an aerial panorama and the report. A digital copy of the object repeats the original with high accuracy and reliability.
Thank you, Vadim. Now my contractor will not get away and will fix all the shortcomings at his own expense.
We will be able to digitize any work on any object. Any object of construction and design. From the moment of laying the foundation to finishing works inside the building, using modern robotic devices and artificial intelligence.
Artificial Intelligence Angelica is here to talk to you. And now I will tell you about the main advantages of working with me. Our services offer quick inventorying, one-click photo report generation, and the ability to share a link to a digital copy of the construction site on social networks. Furthermore, you can compare projects at any time of the day, including panoramic views from different dates. All data can be exported to various formats, and the survey results can be used in architecture, design, and cartography. I will promptly notify you of any project changes and the completion of flight processing through email. Our digital twins are valuable for operational planning and can serve as demonstrations at workshops. To use our platform, you don't need to install anything on your personal computer. Simply launch the browser and refresh the tab. A single workspace can accommodate an unlimited number of projects, and an unlimited number of employees can work on a project, even if they are physically located in another city or country. We will handle all aspects of collecting digital material at a construction site and deliver it to you on the same day. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact our customer support team. We will be more than happy to assist you.